Jay making movies. Jay making movies. Swap it out, scene, don't shoot it. Sauce with the drip, extra groovy. Jordan 1s cost more than your Gucci's. Plus I doubled up, shot it, so sue me. You can say I'm in my bag, no Louis. Greatness in my jeans, no Truey. It be bangers only, I'm reviewing. Bangers on bangers, I'm popping now. Jay on no roll, ain't no stopping now. Whip out them laces, we bopping now. You know the name is to swap it out. Bangers on bangers, I'm copping now. Jay on no roll, ain't no stopping now. Whip out them laces, we bopping now. The name is to swap it out. Jay making movies.
Rock money now.
Jay to go, action. Michael Jackson Thriller, pull up in the ghost. Hop up out that big, all black folks. Couple racks on me, ballin' in the post. Bank rollin' the soul, premise told. Mess with me now, channel on go. Barely flexing on them, haters do the most. Million on the way, bout to raise the toast. Got a new name, call him Jay to go. Outrank on my clothes, let's swap on my foes. So first I'm killing myself, gotta install them suicide goals.
YouTube family, what is good? What's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy Jay coming at y'all live and direct, man, from the studio, man. Today, y'all, your boy is proud to bring y'all another detailed review on feet, man. Today we got the Jordan 4 Sulfurs, which indeed just recently dropped on Saturday. 6 retail price on this shoe was $200. However, it wasn't for the majority, man. It was a women's exclusive. But hey, if you new around here, my slogan is, if I can fit them, I'ma get them, you know what I'm saying? So this shoe in particularly only went up to a 12W, which is equivalent to a 10.5 in men's. So all my men's over a size 10.5, 11 and up, you might either had to squeeze into a pair or just took the L on it altogether, because they did not come in extended sizes, man. So hey, Jordan brand, when are we gonna start just doing away with the W's and just do unisex and just, you know, hey, Jordan's for all, man, because I always say it, you know, the Jordan design itself, and I'm not being sexist when I say this, it was designed for a man, Michael Jordan himself, you know what I'm saying? So the Jordan silhouette in a whole, the shoe is a men's shoe, you know, so why not just go up to a women's size 20, you know what I'm saying? Just, you can keep the W on it, but just make them all extended sizes, you know. But hey, it is what it is. But shout out to everyone who got their hands on a pair, who wanted them, and my bad for those who are unable to get them. But that's not here or there, man. Before we dive into this detailed reviewing on feet, man, I need for you, if you are a new follower, a new watcher, a new viewer, all that stuff, man, if you are just new around here, man, and you have not joined the family, hit that subscribe button down below, man. Over here we are doing it all, y'all. We are going from the vlogs to the on feet to the early looks. You know that's what's going down over here, man. So if you are not familiar, just go through my catalog, and if you see anything you like, join the family, and don't stop there. If you do hit that subscribe button, make sure you leave a comment down below letting me know that you are new, so I can reply back with a personal comment of my own letting you know I appreciate you rocking out with the fam. But outside of that, man, yes, man, today's video is sponsored by Outrank, man. They are the ones who got your boy the fly gear for this video. As you can see, I do have on that Take Flight tee, which is now available, y'all. It is available right now over on outrankbrand.com exclusively to its online items, y'all. So these items won't last for long. Once they sell out, they are gone completely. They do have shorts, they have hats, they have a variety selection of tops that you can match up with your Jordan 4 Sulfurs, and it doesn't stop there. Of course, if you have any other shoes that does have the yellow or golden hit to it, man, you can pair it up with those, man. So it's not just for one in particular item. You can definitely match this up with different shoes in your collection, man. And of course, we know that yellow color is starting to get very popular in upcoming Jordan brand and Nike shoes, man. So if you guys want to be fly for now and future days to come, man, cop one of those tees, put it up, and you won't regret it, because a lot of their tees are just timeless, meaning that I have tees from them that I pull out months down the line, and people be like, bro, where you got that tee from? And I'm like, yo, it came out back when the X, Y, and Z came out. In this case, the Jordan 4 Sulfurs, you know, I might pop this out in October or something, and they asked me about it, but it'll be no longer available, y'all. So take advantage. Use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy at checkout to save some off your purchase, y'all. But yes, they have a lot of items. Bang, y'all, here we have them, y'all. And by no surprise, These did not sell out today, man. Of course, you can probably still walk into your local stores, which did get them, and still possibly get your hands on a size or 2. But yes, man, on the Nike Sneakers app, only 2 sizes sold out. I want to say the 12W and the 11.5W, which was expected, y'all. Of course, those big sizes are gonna go, because I feel like, you know, when it comes to shoes, man, and like I said, not to be sexist again, like, the shoes are dominated by men, you know, so the men, you know, who are interested in this shoe wasted no time. Of course, they're going to be the bigger feet people, so the 12Ws, the 11.5s, they gonna fly, you know, and that's exactly what we seen. And I do see, of course, the 10.5, the 10s, the bigger sizes are just going to go first, not the opposite. The small sizes are going to linger around for a while, maybe even go on sale, but those bigger sizes, those are going to be the ones that kind of trickle away as time goes on. But the Sulfur 4s, y'all, this is what we're here to discuss. But before we dive into it, y'all, I gotta let you guys know about a way to stop taking those L's, man. Shout out to Secret Sauce, y'all. So Secret Sauce is a group that specializes in many different things, y'all, such as helping you turn those L's into W's by notifying you on ways how to cop. They give you the heads up on which places will be doing restocks. They actually also help you with auto checkouts, y'all. What I mean by that, let's say that you're busy, you're having a day at work or something, you're not able to get on your phone at whatever time a certain shoe is releasing. Hence, military blue Jordan 4s. Big release, right? A lot of people are trying to get their hands on it. Do not take that L and have to pay resale on them just because, you know, you missed out on it. But let's say that you're at work, y'all. All you would have to do, if you are part of the Secret Sauce group, you would have to set up your auto checkout as far as linking it up to that sneaker, the Jordan 4 Military Blues, and it will automatically check out on that shoe for you when they do release. So you do not have to worry about anything, and the chances of you getting that W for retail, that is very high, man. So never, you know, really take L's like that. I'm telling you, you will take more W's than you do L's by checking them out, y'all. And if you guys are not familiar with Discords and how they work, they do have a specific team that is set up to walk you through the different things that you can do as far as how you can benefit from the platform. So it not only teaches you how to make money, you know what I'm saying, it's just basically giving you the money right back in your pockets, y'all. That group definitely is very beneficial to anyone, not only sneakerheads, man, to anyone who wants to just make a little extra money on the side. Like, definitely check out Secret Sauce, tap into them. I've been rocking out with them for a little bit, y'all, and y'all see the W's piling up, y'all. Your boy has not been taking that many L's. I've been utilizing the things that platform brings, y'all. So tap into Secret Sauce. It does have a membership, basically, where there's 3 tiers that you can sign up from. You do have your 3 tiers. You do have your essential, premium, and elite memberships, y'all. The elite membership is basically made for members only. You have to be a previous member in order to join that elite program. They open that up every so often to allow members from the premium membership to go ahead and enter into that elite, where you unlock all special features, which is just massive, y'all. It's a lot of things that is available in elite, but definitely try it out. Start with the essential and then work your way up, y'all. You will definitely see the benefits of using Secret Sauce, y'all. Tap into it. I do have a link down below, y'all. There is a wait list. There is a wait list to joining the Secret Sauce group, y'all. But if you use the link that I do provide down below, it will bypass that wait list, y'all. You will be entered in the group within 24 hours so that you can start saving and taking those W's right off the bat, y'all. So definitely tap into that. Start with the essential, or like I said, you want to jump right into the premium, hey, go ahead and do that. But trust me, y'all, if you utilize the things that group does offer, you will definitely start seeing a big difference in those W's, and of course those profits that you do gain off of the success you will get from using that Discord group, man. So tap into Secret Sauce, y'all. And like I said, military blues are right around the corner, man. If you do not want to miss out on that shoe, that's a very big shoe, and I think it's gonna be a lot of mayhem for that shoe. So if you don't want to take any L's on that, man, I would get into it now, get familiar with it, and don't worry about the hassle when they come around, man. So Secret Sauce, hey, tap into them. Your boy Jay stamps it. The link is down below in the description. If you want to get in instantly within 24 hours, use that link. That's the only way. Can't say I ain't put you on, man. Let's get back to the kicks. So taking a look at the box that it comes in, y'all, it does come in an all over white box, something that we have seen very recently, y'all. We seen the same box from the Jordan 4 metallic gold, women's exclusive as well. It does have the all over white lid with the gold hits on it, gold flight, gold Jumpman. Bottom does have the cement printing with the gold speckles, and it does read on the size tag, women's Air Jordan 4 retro, color blocking is white coconut milk. I did go with a size 10.5 on these, y'all. 10.5 is my equivalent to a size 9 in men's. As you can see on the box, it does have the women's and men's size on it. Why do you put men's sizing on a women's shoe? I always question that, but hey, y'all do y'all. But it does have the men's size on the box, so basically the equivalent from a men's size to a women's size is up a size and a half. So if you are a men's size 8, your women's size would be 9.5, y'all. So a size and a half up will be your size. So popping open the box lid on these, on the top of the lid, it will be an all over white blank box lid. Inside, you will see some wax paper with some gold Jumpmans on it. And inside the box, I do see a red QC05 sticker on it. Is there a white and green sticker in here? No white and green sticker, but we do get a large lot number that is printed on the box lid. And pardon me, we do have a white and green sticker that is in here. It was hiding in the cut, but there is a white and green sticker in here as well as a large lot number, y'all. So you do get all of the above. You will get some white paper in there as well, man. So outside of that wax paper, we will get some white shoe paper, and then inside of that we'll allow the shoes. And that is pretty much it, y'all, for the box of the Jordan 4 Sulfurs. Let's take a look at the details of the shoe. Taking a look at the outsole, as you can see, y'all, we do got a hit of sail on the back. We got some black hits right here in the middle, yellow Jumpman. We got some yellow hits going around that whole little outside area right there, and then we got some more black and some more sail going up at the top. Jordan 4 outsole, nothing special. Taking a look at the uppers of the shoe, we do get some sail back here in the back. Got our little air bubble right there, which does have like a little cream hit to it. And we got our hits of the black right here. We got that nice golden yellow hit midway through it, more black. Then we got a little touch of sail right there on the front on those stars, y'all. So got that going all throughout the midsole. Of course, more sail on the inside of the shoe. But taking a look, moving up above that, we got the all over white leather, y'all. All over white leather, which is a stiff leather, man. It's not nothing premium on this. Do I want to compare it to a Fire Red 4? The colorway is definitely a Fire Red 4 colorway, but the leather is just, it's kind of on. It's more of a stiff type leather. It's nothing premium about the leather, y'all, but all over pure white on the leather uppers of it. When you take a look above that, we do got some mesh hits right there on the side alongside that black background behind it. One thing I want to point out, y'all, is the 2 different tones of yellow, hence to why I had on 2 different tones of yellow in my outfit. You got to pay attention to the details. So basically on the waffle cones, y'all, as well as on the midsole area, you do got a darker golden yellow, but it does go into more of a sunny type yellow or a brighter yellow when it does get to the ankle collar area. As you can see, you can probably take a look and see between this cone right here and just that little sock liner, it is a different yellow, man. So you do get 2 different tones of yellow, and it does go back to that dark yellow on the back Jumpman. So that's one thing, you can actually see it real good on the Jumpman. So that Jumpman is more of like a bright sun yellow, and this is more of a golden yellow on those waffle holders as well as on the mid panel, y'all. So something to point out, just to let y'all know, there's 2 different types of yellow on this shoe, but we do have that. We talked about the flight, the Jumpman right there on the tongue, and when you take a look at the back, y'all, of course, nice black back panel with the golden yellow Jumpman, yellow interior sock liner going inside the shoe. As you can see, back of the tongue, y'all, you do got Air Jordan written in that yellow, as you can see right there, and yellow interior insole and black Jumpman inside there. These shoes do come with shoe paper. You do see the shoe paper it comes with, and it does have a manufacturer's date of October through December of last year. White laces are OG laced in here. No extra laces are included, y'all. They could have threw us some black. They could have threw us some sail. They could have even did yellow, but I got y'all covered in all those areas. But the only laces that come with them, y'all, is the white laces, y'all. So no other laces outside of the white laces. And of course, you do got the black mesh going up 3/4 way on the tongue, y'all. That's another thing. So that is pretty much it for the Jordan 4 Sulfurs, man. A clean pair of Jordan 4s, and I must let you guys know that it does not have the new Nike SB Jordan 4 shape. It does have the original Jordan 4 shape that we've been seeing in the last decade or more, you know what I'm saying? But it does not have that new slope shape that we have been starting to like, and we got on, of course, military blues and reimagined breads. It does not have that shape, y'all. So just a regular older style Jordan 4 shape, and that is it for the Jordan 4 Sulfurs, y'all. So we're gonna throw them on feet, man. Shout out to Outrank brand again for supplying your boy the gear for this video. Make sure y'all tap in, check out Secret Sauce, y'all, because those military blues are knocking at the door, and you guys want to get alerted about the shot drop. You want to get alerted about where and how to get your hands on them, y'all. And if you plan on being busy, set up an auto checkout. You just want to get that shoe for retail. But yo, your boy Jay is checking out. I will catch y'all on the next one. Y'all enjoy. Let me know your favorite lace swap, and hit that subscribe button. I'm out till next time. Y'all stay blessed. Let's get to it. Peace.
Jay making movies.
Rock money now.
Jay to go, action. Michael Jackson Thriller, pull up in the ghost. Hop up out that bed, all black folks. Couple racks on me, ballin' in the post. Bank rollin' the soul, premise told. Mess with me now, channel on go. Barely flexin' on them, haters do the most. Million on the way, bout to raise the toast. Got a new name, call him Jay to go. Check out the closet, full size run, just touchdown. Pull up, don't mind if I shine like a bust down. True story, hoary, it's crunch time, I'm plush now. Kicks match my fit, match my lit, it's too much now. Outrank on my clothes, let's swap on my foes. So first I'm killing myself, gotta install them suicide doors. Grind on 10, don't doze, triple up 2 on froze. Flavor through the ceiling like moles, gon' take a pic, pose. Jay to go, Jay to go, yeah. Jay to go, Jay making moves, yeah. Jay to go, yeah. Jay to go, yeah. Jay to go, Jay to go. Jay to go, Jay to go. Jay to go, yeah. Jay to go, yeah. Jay to go, Jay to go.